Here we have a vintage piece of technology that I found at an estate sale a couple weeks back. It's a digital DECWriter 2 LA-36 from about the mid-70s. This is a TeleType terminal that you could either type locally or you could type remotely, where it would feed back from what you typed and come back and print off of it, from what I remember. Now, plugging this in, it didn't do anything other than a couple lights on here and a humming sound from the motor, typing the keys. You just got nothing out of that. So I took it open to see what we got in here, and you know, the general 70s motors and wheels and stuff. And I have the whole lid ready to come off too. Amazing here. Set that aside. And we have some giant solenoids, I believe, for the pins that feed on the paper here. Legal sized green bar paper. I have the rest of the box in the garage. And just kind of regular 70s era computer technology. Now I'll take you off the tripod here and move you in a little bit closer. Get a nice mechanical keyboard here. I've been able to get the standard character and the paper out light to come on, but I don't think I was able to get anything else depending on, you know, flipping any switches or anything here. Now these heads for the 7-pin printing they're quite big. Some motors here to move the heads back and forth, some motors for the ribbon, the paper feed. Nothing really underneath there, just a few wires, and there's a speaker over here. I thought it was kind of interesting the way that this cam would work here, because every time you move it around one direction it would move the ribbon, but the other direction it wouldn't. Now originally when I bought this, I thought the bottom was just basically a desk and I could just take the top off and sell the top, but opening it up, realized that really all the workings are inside of here. Got a big board with some removable integrated circuits on here. This was a cable that went with an external input device. There's some power supplies there, a fan over here. Looks like some giant capacitors down there. And there's a edge connector over here that I believe was where this was originally plugged into. Not sure what this did or where it was connected to, but it was originally dragging outside of it, and had to go disconnect it for more ease of moving this around and hopefully getting this sold off rather quickly. It's listed on eBay if you want to take a look at it, and hopefully meet me up in the Duluth, Minnesota area and transfer it over to you, and maybe you guys could go and figure out a little bit more about, you know, getting this to work, because it's really beyond my era. I'm more of a, you know, 90s on computer guy, so I run across this stuff, but I really don't know much about it. Hope you enjoyed this.